Did you push your gas tank all the way to empty, and now your engine is sputtering and struggling to stay alive? That little gamble at the fuel pump might have just triggered a frustrating misfire. We have all been there, hoping to make it to the next gas station, but your engine does not like running on fumes. You are likely looking at diagnostic trouble code P0313, which means misfire detected with low fuel. This is a generic powertrain code for vehicles from 1996 and newer. The engine computer relies on various sensors to keep the air and fuel mixture perfect. When your fuel level drops too low, the fuel pump inside the gas tank can suck in air instead of gasoline. This creates a lean condition, meaning there is way too much air and not nearly enough fuel, causing the engine to misfire. You will definitely feel the symptoms. Your engine will run rough. It might be hard to start, or it might not start at all. You will feel a severe hesitation when you try to accelerate, along with a major lack of power. While an empty gas tank is the most obvious cause, there are other potential reasons. You could be dealing with a failing fuel pump, a clogged fuel filter, a broken fuel pressure regulator, or bad fuel injectors. Sometimes, the issue is not even fuel related. For instance, some vehicles have oil separator hoses under the intake manifold that crack and cause massive vacuum leaks, which tricks the computer into setting this exact code. To fix this, start with the most obvious solution and put at least half a tank of gas in your car. Clear the codes with your scanner and take a test drive. If the problem goes away, you just ran it too low. If the engine still runs rough, connect a fuel pressure tester to the test port on your fuel rail to see if the pressure is within the factory specifications. You might need to replace a clogged fuel filter or check the fuel pump wiring for proper voltage. Look closely for any cracked vacuum hoses under the hood. So, when should you hand this over to a certified mechanic? If your testing points to a dead fuel pump, stop right there. Replacing a fuel pump usually means completely dropping the heavy fuel tank. One wrong move or a stray spark can cause a catastrophic fire. Leave the dangerous tank work to the pros. Keep your gas tank full, and you will save yourself a massive headache down the road.